Ahoy, mateys. Trying to get used to this little tiny camera. I think it's taking good pictures from what people have told me from the very first test that I did. So, it's not as warm as I'd like it to be today. Today's Friday, April 9, 2020. And it's about 38 degrees. The wind has died down a little bit, but it's still chilly. So we're back here at the Howard Christensen Nature Center. I believe this is part 3. Part 2, we went down that way and across, and then we circled back, and then we actually ended up coming right by here again. So now today, where this little kind of a fork is, we're on the south side of the pond. Now I can hear frogs, but I don't think they're in the water. I think we're hearing tree frogs. I could be wrong. But I thought maybe today we could go climb up on the lookout tower, if that's what they call it. I don't know what they call it. Now here's a box. Looking at it a little closer. Uh-oh. Are we seeing things? I'm not seeing anything on the screen. Okay, now I am. Okay, you see that box? It's just perforated with holes. I'm beginning to think it's some kind of an insect box. And that other one I mentioned the other day, that's got holes in it too. I thought these boxes were like bluebird, nests or bluebird houses. Okay, I think we're still recording, but yet when I turn this around, the screen doesn't show. So I don't know. Okay, it's still showing now. I wonder if I'm bumping something as we travel along. The battery looks good. Some more signs over there. Okay, here we go. I know, this is boring, right? It's good exercise though. I bet the kids love this. I might like it too. Okay, there's the welcome center where we're parked. Down there's a trail that we walked. Over there, there's a lot of stuff to do, and as I understand, that's the interpretation center. We won't be walking that far today. We got the pond down here. I forget what they called the pond. They have a name for it. I wonder why the rear screen keeps turning off. We still got 3/4 of the battery. I see a light post over there. Another there. So they're capable of lighting this place up pretty good. Another pile, teepee style pile of wood. I wonder if they'll be burning that. There's another one out in front of the Welcome Center too. And once again, I see we're still recording, but for some reason the screen keeps turning off. It's either something I'm doing or it's just the nature of this camera. And I'm cold, so we're going to let this go and hustle back to the truck. Hustle home. I didn't work on that Saturn today. I said I got to do something for myself. Well, I didn't get to do much for myself until now, because it was all afternoon taking Holly here and there to pay her bills and you name it. So finally I got a chance to do something for myself, and I said, you know, I'm not going to work on the car today. And then tomorrow's, you know, live stream day, so in a way I got to get ready for that. So I probably won't do nothing on the Saturn until probably Sunday. So that's the way it is. Alright, mateys. Fair winds and smiles. And of course, may God bless. Talk to you soon.